Hello everyone, this is another two-part video about Google Ads. During your search campaign setup, you will see the option of the search partners and the display network. In this video, I will explain the display network setting and I have another one covering the search partners. So let's cut to the chase. The display network should always be excluded from your search campaign, and there is practically no debate among Google Ads specialists. First, I will show you what it looks like when you're setting up a search campaign versus a display campaign, and then I will give you some further context about why you should exclude the display network from your search campaign. So here's how Google describes it in the campaign setup. Easy way to get additional conversions or incremental conversions if you hover over the question mark with unused search budget or when you're not using all your budget. Now the biggest red flag here is no additional setup is required for one-click opt-in. It should at least require you to set up an actual display ad. So let's imagine I am actually creating a search campaign with the display opt-in. Let's go create some ads. Now, as you can see, I am just setting up a regular text ad here, not what you would normally expect to see on the display network. So here, I am creating an actual display campaign with a display ad. And you see how different the setup is. It is asking me for images, optionally videos, it's asking for fewer headlines, a long headline. Now, the setup itself should already be a clear sign that display ads don't belong in a search campaign. The purpose of a search campaign and the purpose of a display campaign are very different, so they should not be mixed. A cross-network campaign like Performance Max is different. Its purpose is to be cross-network, to find users at different touchpoints. If that wasn't enough, there's also cost effectiveness to take into account. The display opt-in might make your average cost per click for the campaign overall go down, but with lower conversion rates, it'll increase your cost per conversion and just straight up waste your money. It will also make any analysis or optimization more complex as you have to take these different networks into account. Again, Performance Max is different because its purpose is to find users across the different networks. It is intentionally going after the same users, which is not what the display opt-in is doing. If you want an easy way to check if the display network is enabled for your search campaigns, just look at the symbol of the campaign. If it's just a magnifying glass, that's what you want. That's a pure search campaign. If it has a little window next to the magnifying glass, that means the display opt-in is enabled. You can go into the campaign settings and find networks to turn it off. So don't forget, this is a two-part video. I hope you learned something new about the display network and the search partners network, and you'll be making well-informed choices for your campaign setup. If you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, good luck with your Google Ads campaigns.